Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix we blocked a suspicious login attempt on your Instagram account. So guys, if you are using your Instagram account but you see this warning on your Instagram account, here I will show you what it is and how can you handle this issue. So guys, basically this is not an issue, it is just a warning. If someone is trying to log in your Instagram account, then you will see this warning whether this is you or somebody else is trying to log in your account on his device. So guys, if you are trying to log in your Instagram account in other device, then you will have to simply tap on "this was me trying to log in." So guys, here you can see this. Also, you have to simply tap on "this was me trying to log in Instagram account." So guys, basically this is a warning. You have to simply make a confirmation here, and if you're not trying to log in your Instagram account on any other device, then you have to simply tap on change password from here to secure your Instagram account. So guys, here you can see this. You can get two options here. You have to simply tap on change password, and then you have to simply change the password of your Instagram account to secure it from the hackers. So guys, this is the information regarding this issue on Instagram. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.